Alright, let's cut up some bell peppers and get dehydrating.
Hey everybody, Joe here. Another quick video today on dehydrating bell peppers. Now I did a video on this about a year and a half or so ago. It was a 12-minute video, so a little bit long, based on some feedback I've been getting from a few subscribers. People are interested in seeing a more condensed series of dehydrating videos. I did one recently on mushrooms that was much shorter than the previous one. Today we're doing bell peppers. We're going to try and get this one down to roughly half the time of the previous one. I got my 5-tray dehydrator here. We're going to get the temperature set at 135 degrees. That'll be set to go. We're going to slice these all up, all these peppers. Now these, I got these just day before yesterday at my local grocery store. They're usually $3 to $4 a pound. They were on for, I think it was $1.50 a pound. So I'm going to chop all these up into bits, roughly 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch. Get them loaded up, and then I'll be right back. Hey everybody, so we're back. We got all the peppers all chopped up. It was 6 large bell peppers, green and red, and there you can get a little better look at them. 5 trays loaded up. I've got my dehydrator set to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, which is I believe around 60 degrees Celsius. Cutting board, we'll just rinse that off. Dry, put that away. Dry my hands. Now the peppers, they're probably going to take about 10 or 12 hours to dehydrate. Every 3 or 4 hours I will come back and rotate the trays around. Bottom tray to the top tray to the bottom, and so on. Get more even dehydrating. They should be nice and dry, kind of crisp when they're finished. I'll be back after that to show you the rest, and we'll get them put away for storage, and we'll talk about what we do with them. Like I said, we're going to make this video a little shorter, aiming for around 6 minutes. When I did this a year and a half or so ago, it ended up being 12 minutes. We want a little bit more condensed version of that. So we'll be back soon with the rest of the video. Hey YouTube, so we're back. So yesterday we started a video on dehydrating bell peppers, trying to make it a little shorter than the video I did a year and a half ago, which was about 12 minutes. This one will definitely be shorter, more condensed, so you can get through it a little faster. To review, chopped up the peppers, 6 or 7 bell peppers into small chunks, roughly 1/4 inch size. Placed them on 5 dehydrator trays. I rotated the trays through a couple times as I was going, bottom tray to the top tray to the bottom, and so on, get even dehydrating. Part way through, I went from 5 trays down to 4 trays. Here's the finished product. Give you a little bit of a look right there. Had them on 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, some places you'll see people saying it takes 8 hours to dehydrate. Some places will say it takes 12 hours to dehydrate. How long does it take? It takes until they're done. There is no set time. It's going to vary. It varies depending on the size that you put them, how much you pack them onto each tray, how much airspace, humidity, all kinds of factors. They're not done until they're done. Once they're done, they're going to be completely dry. You can hear them break apart if you're really close. You won't hear this on the microphone, but if you have it up to your ear, you can hear it snap almost like a potato chip. So I've got 4 trays here done. I'm going to load them up into this 1/2 liter mason jar. I'm not going to make you watch me do all that. I'll be right back when that part is done, so hold on. Okay, and we're back. So what we started out yesterday was about just over 3 pounds of bell peppers. That's 48 ounces, maybe 50 ounces. What we have in here, after taking away the weight of the jar itself, is just over 4 ounces of dehydrated bell peppers. We went from about 50 ounces down to 4 ounces. Now that doesn't count the cores of the peppers itself, which we don't have here anymore. Those are gone. Those will be used in the next couple of days to make up a vegetable broth. They're in the freezer. And anyways, that's what you have. So 135 degrees. This batch probably took me about 14 hours. I've done it in as little as 9 or 10 hours. Like I said previously, it varies. When are they done? They're not done until they're done. These will go downstairs in the food pantry. I'll pick away at these throughout the fall and winter. I use them throughout the year in soups, pasta sauces, a variety of things like that. Throughout the year, I also take these along with other dehydrated foods on backpacking trips, canoe tripping, sea kayak trips, things like that. I've been doing it for 16 years now, since 2004. First time I did it was getting ready for a solo 6 months canoe expedition across most of Canada. That was a 6,000 kilometer trip. That's what got me into food dehydrating. Been doing it ever since. Hope you liked this video. If so, hit the like button down below. Leave some good positive comments. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. That helps me out. Build notifications, and you get notices of upcoming videos as they come out. There's also a couple links down below for Amazon, Amazon Canada, and Amazon in the USA. If you're doing shopping there, you happen to click one of my links. Go to Amazon, anything you get then, I'll get a tiny little commission that helps me build up the channel, better cameras, new tripods, new dehydrator, doing trips, etc. to create more content for you all. And that's it for now. I'll be back at you soon with another video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave some comments down below. Thanks.